Now we solve the equation x cube minus 7x square plus 36 equal to 0. Given that one root is double of another, you must be now what is the conditions of in a burden is given. Now we solve these questions. Now we solve these questions. Solve the equation x power cube minus 7x square plus 36 equal to 0. Given that one root is double of another. Now solution. Let one would be alpha. Now you can see, suppose the first root is alpha. According to your questions, then another root is 2 alpha. Why we use 2? Because here is given double. Double means 2 alpha. Let the third root be beta. From the cubic equation, you know this is the same simple conditions x cube minus 7x square plus 0x, because here is no given value of x, then you write 0 plus 36 equal to 0. We use formula, find 1 alpha plus 2 alpha plus beta equal to 7, because according to these questions, alpha and 2 alpha and beta, we add all roots equal to 7. Now you can see we can simplify. Here is given alpha and 2 alpha. Then we add both number. We get 3 alpha plus beta equal to 7. Now second point, a 2 alpha. We multiplication in both number. A 2 alpha plus alpha beta plus 2 alpha and beta equal to 0. Now we multiply both, then alpha and alpha square, and you write to same alpha and beta, and 2 alpha and beta. You know 2 and 1, 3 alpha and beta equal to 0. Third point, alpha, 2 alpha and beta equal to minus 36. This is the questions is given. In the questions given, now multiply these number alpha and alpha to alpha square beta minus 36. We get third equation. Let's solve the system of equations from equation. Second point, 2 alpha square plus 3 alpha beta equal to 0. Now we get common values. What we get? Alpha, 2 alpha plus 3 beta equal to 0. Since alpha cannot be 0, as it would make product of roots 0, but content is 36. We have 2 alpha plus 3 beta equal to 0. Now you can see we use equal to 0. Now we find beta. In this condition, beta equal to, we convert here minus 2 alpha and divide by 3, and beta we get 4 equation. Substitute equation 4 into equation 1. 3 alpha plus minus 2 alpha divided by 3 equal to 7. Now we simplify. You can see here is no denominator. Then we simplify by cross multiplications. You get 9 alpha divided by 3 plus minus 2 alpha divided by 3 equal to 7. Now 7, 9 minus 2, we get 7 alpha divided by 3 equal to 7. Now this 7 and 7 will be cancelled, we get 1, and alpha divided by 3, then 3 convert here, then alpha equal to 3. Now we solve, find beta from equation 4. Beta equal to minus 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 3 equal to minus 2. The second node is 2 alpha equal to 2 multiplied by 3, because the value of alpha is 3, then we get 6. Let's verify with product of roots third. Now A means alpha, 2 alpha and beta. You can see this is according to your questions. We multiply all numbers, then we get minus 36. This matches. Answer, the root are 3, 6 and minus 2, because these are roots of the equation. Thank you. Here is my contact number, Muhammad Hanif, WhatsApp number. You can send if you have any difficulty. You can send me WhatsApp. Okay, take care.